Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. We know that all of us commit mistakes. In other words, to err is human. But whether we learn from that mistake, that is very, very important. In this connection, let me share a short incident with you. Once, what happened in a company, the retiring president of the company, after his farewell send off, we all do, gave 2 envelopes marked number 1 and marked 2 to the incoming president and said, whenever you run into management crisis you cannot handle by yourself, open envelope number 1, and at the next crisis open the second one. See, the incident is simple. There is a send-off, retirement function of the president of the company. And at that time, what happens? The retiring president gives 2 envelopes to his predecessor, that is, who is going to come after him, and tells him, when you are having first crisis, open the envelope number 1, and when you are meeting with the second crisis, open the envelope second. So you are knowing, the years went, the work was going on, company was running on, but you are knowing in between there are ups and downs, and sometimes a big calamity, crisis comes. So the same happened. After a few years later, a major crisis came. The president went into the safe and pulled out the first envelope. It said, blame it on your predecessor. He said, for whatever crisis has come on, blame it to your predecessor. Then again the years went on, the company was going on, and again, a few years later, a second crisis came. Then what do you think, what the president might have done? He went inside, opened the cupboard, and took the second envelope. And in the second envelope, it was written that prepare 2 envelopes for your predecessor. So, responsible people accept and learn from their mistakes. But some people never learn. They keep on committing the mistakes again and again. That is why we can do 3 things about mistakes. First thing is, you can ignore them. Second, you can deny them. And the third is, accept and learn from them. And which is the correct one? The third. That is, you have to take the courage. It is risky but rewarding. Instead, we defend our weaknesses. We actually start building our lives around them, making them a center point rather than overcoming them. So what we have to do? We have to learn from our mistakes. And you are knowing, the mistakes, the challenges in life, they are all unending. They keep on coming. Nobody's life is just like a straight line. If you have visited the hospital and if you have seen, if you have gone to the lab and you are knowing The ups and downs, how they are marked. But when the line comes in a straight line, when the cardiogram is taken, what it is said? The person is dead. So even in our life, because we are alive, that is why the problems come. There are ups and downs. There are so many mistakes. We too might be committing it, but we have to learn from our mistakes. It is only the clever person who will learn from his mistakes and he will not commit the same mistake again. Otherwise, you are having so many fools around you who commit the mistakes again and again, repetitively. They go on committing the mistakes. But if you are clever enough, you will not repeat the mistake. You may commit another mistake, doesn't matter, but the same mistake won't be committed by you twice. Because you are clever enough, you have learned from that mistake, how that mistake has occurred, and that is why you will never commit that mistake and you will learn from that mistakes. So, whenever the problems come, whenever we do any mistakes, no need to run away from that. Don't run away. Stand there. Face it. And you are knowing it is that we learn a lot from these problems, from these challenges. They teach us a lot. They make us strong. You are knowing when the gold ornaments are done, how they are done? At such a high heat, and you are knowing the process, they undergo a lot of difficulties. Then you are having the beautiful ornaments. Or you have seen how a sculptor makes the statues. Is it easy for the rock when the statue is prepared? No. Even then. But once the statue is prepared, then it is kept in the temple. People go and pray. Then you are knowing it gets such a nice things. That is why we too should not be scared about the mistakes. Mistakes are going to happen. It is from that we learn. They are our teachers. God teaches us. God wants to make us strong to face some more challenges. That is why He makes us to face the challenges. And after facing the challenges, we will become more and more strong. So again, next time when you are facing any challenge, don't run away from that. On the contrary, face it confidently. Even your confidence will increase. You will become smart enough. You will be able to run the factory or company or your institution, whatever, in a better way, because you have become smarter. Nature has taught you so many things. So, my dear friends, next time when any problems come, any challenges come, welcome them, because they are going to teach you something. They are going to make you strong. They are going to make you courageous. So welcome the challenges. Because we are alive, the challenges are there. So we should be very, very strong to face the challenges. Have a nice day.